end of Mdala, I really underestimated Blessed. Hey, she managed to kidnap Tlogri, dig up a grave, and call Mdala to come and see. Linda got her money from Darlene and almost got caught by Mdala. And Victor told Ntutuko that Khalele is pregnant. And Khalele reminded Bridget that she's just her daddy's girlfriend and nothing more. And because he wants to pay damages for Upogo and change his surname. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Linda went in disguised as Pinky to meet Darlene to get the money that she wanted, cash. Darlene handed over the money and thanked her for all her help and says that now Linda wants to know what is it that you planned. But Darlene said, no, don't worry, everything will be over soon. And then Dala is watching this meetup, but at least Pinky was disguised. And Jackie saved her because she was going to get caught if Jackie was not watching, and managed to save her from Dala. What's it Darlene brave? Darlene is able to go to the apartment to dig up to like, how brave is this girl? Because she's still trying to get into their business. And Dala came into Chloe's rescue because Chloe seems to be very scared of Darlene Liena, Ogi guilty as Sanka that's eating her up. Now Dala says, you know what, I need to end up with this girl because there's nothing that's going to work if I don't do that. Chloe is now agreeing with him. But Darlene is brave. She managed to kidnap Chloe, dig up a whole grave for her, and phone Dala to come and see. And ordered him to come alone, because if he doesn't come alone, then all hell will break loose. But Chloe is sitting there. I don't even know what Ganda AI, the one she used to dig up the grave. Dala came here to the place that Darlene has Chloe tied up. When he got there, Darlene had a gun, even showing it to pointing at him, Dala, telling him to come closer. And look at the grave. Chloe is in there. Is this the end of Mdala? How brave is Darlene? What plan does she have up her sleeve? What is Mdala going to do now? Can they let Mdala lose? Is Darlene Blessed going to defeat Mdala? Mdala he always wins. What plot is this Scandal? Hey, and Wukosi is actually now planning to pay damages for Pogo because Matubela told him, you're busy boasting about Pogo, but also paternity damages, man. You didn't our chats are family for the disgrace that you caused us. At first, because it was like, oh, this is what it's about. It's money. And then I think he said with himself and realized that actually he must just pay for the damages and do the right thing. And then he came to speak with Kiriboni to say that he wants to pay for damages for Pogo. And Pogo Pogo wants to know if his mom doesn't mind him changing his surname, and Kiribon doesn't mind and says that as long as Yana Anyaka, then it's okay. And then remember Khalele, after testing positive for the pregnancy, she didn't want to tell Ntutuko until Bridget found the pregnancy test and forced her to tell her dad. She wrote up that letter, and the other day when Ntutuko came to check on her, she said that he wanted to know what it is so it can be fixed, but Khalele said this one cannot be fixed. Now Victor went to tell Ntutuko that Khalele is pregnant. And you know that Victor wanted nothing to do with Ntutuko because he had all those scandals about Ntutuko, that he had problems with alcohol and he was involved in the scandal. Some told me that the girl that died go develop apartment. So now now Khalele says that Bridget is just a girlfriend, Papa High. She must stop acting like she's part of the family. She must just stop what she's doing. Because remember, Bridget is the one that forced her to come clean up with the pregnancy, or else you're not like the dark. After everything Bridget has done for this girl like, it's just so not being a stepmom is hard, ne? Because Bridget, all she wants is just to be there for Khalele, but Khalele is now reminding her that she's not a mom. Really? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.